Welcome to tonight's story, friends, to our enchanted forest, where tales of wisdom and wonder come to life. Today, we invite you to join us on a journey of tranquility, guided by the timeless story of the wise owl and the curious rabbit. Before we embark on our adventure, let us take a moment to center ourselves and find inner peace. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing the soothing sounds of nature to wash over you. With each exhale, release any tension or worry that may weigh upon your heart, allowing yourself to sink deeper into a state of calm and relaxation. Know that in this moment, you are safe, you are loved, and you are at peace. Now, let us be taken away by this story. Once upon a time, in the heart of a vast forest, there lived a wise old owl named Orion. Perched high atop the tallest oak tree, he watched over the woodland creatures with keen eyes and a gentle heart. Orion was known far and wide for his wisdom and kindness, and animals from all corners of the forest sought his counsel. One bright morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of gold and pink, a curious rabbit named Luna hopped through the underbrush. Luna was unlike any other rabbit in the forest. While her siblings were content to nibble on grass and play in the meadows, Luna's heart was filled with wanderlust and a thirst for knowledge. As Luna hopped along, her ears twitched with excitement at the thought of exploring the world beyond her burrow. She had heard tales of the wise owl who dwelled in the ancient oak tree, and decided that she must seek him out to satisfy her curiosity. Guided by the whispers of the wind and the rustling of leaves, Luna made her way to the towering oak where Orion made his home. With each hop, her anticipation grew, and soon she found herself standing at the foot of the majestic tree, gazing up at the wise owl perched on a sturdy branch. Orion's eyes twinkled with warmth as he welcomed Luna with a gentle hoot.
Greetings, young one. What brings you to my humble abode on this fine day?
Luna's nose twitched with excitement as she replied,
"Oh, wise Orion, I have come seeking knowledge and adventure. I wish to learn about the world beyond the forest and discover the secrets that lie hidden in its depths."
The owl nodded thoughtfully, impressed by Luna's curiosity and thirst for knowledge.
Indeed, the world is vast and full of wonders. But remember, young Luna, with great curiosity comes great responsibility. Are you prepared to face the challenges that await you on your journey?
Luna nodded eagerly, her eyes shining with determination.
"I am ready, wise Orion. I will tread carefully and understand your words of wisdom as I explore the world beyond."
And so, under the watchful gaze of the wise old owl, Luna set forth on her journey of discovery. From the whispering groves to the sun-dappled glades, she roamed the forest, marveling at its beauty and diversity. Along the way, she encountered a host of creatures, each with their own stories and wisdom to share. She met a family of deer who taught her the importance of strength and grace, a colony of ants who showed her the power of cooperation and perseverance, and a solitary fox who imparted lessons of cunning and wit. With each encounter, Luna grew wiser and more confident, her heart brimming with gratitude for the knowledge she had gained. And through it all, the wise owl Orion watched over her, his steady presence a source of comfort and guidance. As the seasons turned and the days grew shorter, Luna returned to the ancient oak tree, her heart overflowing with stories and experiences. She shared her tales with Orion, amusing him with accounts of her adventures and the lessons she had learned along the way. Orion listened intently, his eyes shining with pride at the brave little rabbit who had ventured beyond the confines of the forest in search of knowledge and truth. And as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the woodland, Luna nestled close to the wise owl, grateful for his friendship and guidance. And so, dear listeners, let us remember the tale of the wise owl and the curious rabbit and the timeless wisdom that binds them together. For in the vast tapestry of life, it is curiosity that lights the path to discovery, and friendship that makes the journey truly worthwhile.